About to enter the next weekend of May 16th, 2025, and he's here. 11:21 coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Bear and Summit Milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. Looks like a sand load rolling out, and my next SD75IACC rebuild decides to show up for this northbound sand load, and that was the new 8309. How about that? And that is actually my fourth SD75IACC rebuild now. And this is today's S775 81 of the 16th. We'll see what our rear DPU is on this sand load. It has 102 loads to send up to East Edmonton, Alberta, Canada since starting the journey at Source Energy Services, a warehouser. So let's check them out on the roll by as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. And as you can see there, almost near the lower half of your screen, that is one of my popple trees that has finally uprooted the rest of the way since the severe storm threat we had yesterday. Yes, I did have a pretty good microburst from the storms, and winds did exceed around 60 miles an hour or so. And out of shot, well to the left, I also have another one that is almost down as well, and may have the power lines threatened right on my property. When I have this recording completed, I will make a side note of what the 8309 was for you, since it was previously built as a SD75I. Total axle is going to be 420 for this roll by. The rest of it is coming, and I do hear the rear DPU now of the S775. The 8309 is now blasting away at mile 129. .28. CN and 8309 north entering Superior Sub, Main, North Ladysmith, no restrictions. And PM RX 219-164 to bring it up, and it's the return of the S44AC 2850. Let's listen to him open up the throttle. catch. And that is going to do it for today's S775 of the 16th, and we'll do it for the new SD75IACC rebuild of the new 8309, and the rear DPU of the ES44AC of the 2850. And that is going to do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. You have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. See ya and haze out.